Today's video, I want us to have a conversation around soft skills. Yes? What are soft skills? How can we use them to leverage our impact in the workplace? Or how can we even build careers around them and elevate ourselves even more? This is a conversation I've been looking forward to, and I hope that you enjoy it. Soft skills are just natural attributes that we have as individuals, we have as people that really help us to work better with people, to collaborate much better with people, that can also help us to accomplish our goals very well. Some examples of soft skills include communication skills, time management, teamwork, yeah, creativity, crisis management, patience, tolerance, yeah, working under pressure. All those are soft skills because they really help you to navigate the normal and usual work environment. Now, these skills not only help you to work much better with your colleagues, but they help you to navigate, the workplace much easily. They help you to have like a more happier environment for you to work with because you have the resilience, or you built the resilience around small skills that can help you to just navigate work. Skills are really essential for you to have because they not only help you to build relationships with clients, but they help you to work much better with your colleagues, and they also help you to communicate effectively with fellow workers, clients, and any other stakeholders that you need to navigate or communicate to. Now, one of the things that you need to be mindful of is some people are not aware of what soft skills they possess. And if you're one of them, I want you to really take keen attention into this message because there's so many attributes we have about ourselves. You just feel like you can do something, but you don't have a word that you can pin onto that this is what I can do because I have such and such a skill. And what happens is when you're in the workplace and talking about the kind of impact that you have, you are not able to talk about the impact you have made just because of the soft skills that you have. I'll give you an example. By being a good time manager, you might find that you're able to deliver reports or to make timely deliveries to your clients or to your partners because you are really keen on making sure that things go out in time. Okay. Now, this might be difficult for you to quantify that this is what I was able to do because of such a skill that I have. But once you are aware of what that skill is, then you start to monitor slowly by slowly. How many reports was I able to put out this year? What was the time frame? Did we deliver in time or were we late? Once you're able to quantify that, then you're able to speak about this with your managers and showcase the skills that you have and how they're impacting the company. So I want us to just get into a period of mindfulness because I want to talk to you guys about the different soft skills and how they can really help you in the workplace. Now, this can be of help to you in two ways. One, it can get you to think about, what soft skills you need to develop, and that might require you to have some intentionality to develop the skills you feel like you might need based on what you've had today. And then two, it can also get you thinking about the soft skills you have and how you can be able to use them much better in the work. So, for instance, if you have good communication skills, yeah, that soft skill can help you to one, negotiate much better with clients because then you know how to effectively communicate your case to people. And you can also negotiate deals on behalf of your organization because you know how to speak about the work that you do. You know how to sell your organization. So definitely will showcase the value that you have to uh, provide for the client or for the customer, and then be able to make an investment and then be able to translate that into whoever you're talking to, whether it's a client or a customer, to make an investment into your organization. Secondly, you can also be able to negotiate much better with your colleagues. Yeah, different projects will require different skill sets for people to come and work on them. And sometimes, by you being a very good communicator, you're able to show the value you can be able to bring onto a project, so you can negotiate your way into a project. So communication skills are definitely a must-have in the workplace. So other soft skills like conflict resolution, crisis management, also being able to work under the pressure, they can really help to boost the quality of the workplace where you work, just by making sure that conflicts are resolved much faster. You know how to speak to clients in case there is an issue. You know how to pull them off and not wait for things to get out of hand and for people to get crazy. You just know how to communicate very well, listen to people, make sure they feel valued and taken care of, and resolve any conflicts in there. And then also, if you're keen to care for people, you will find that you're really very invested in making sure that people are getting the best treatment, and that will improve, the customer satisfaction for your organization, because you're keen to make sure people that are well taken care of, they're getting the service that they have asked for, and they're getting it in the time that they need it the most. So if you want to leverage our soft skills to build your career, you have to identify what soft skill do I need. Yeah. For instance, if you find yourself in a management position, one of the soft skills you might need is crisis management. You will need good leadership skills. So if you don't have those things, you now have to look at cultivating those things intentionally for you, because these are the things that are going to help you to elevate to the next level. Sometimes I think we are keen on, the hard skills and looking at the qualifications people have. The truth is, if you look at the day to day and how people relate to each other, these small interpersonal skills are what really sell us very well in the workplace. They are what make sure we have an easier time working with people or a more difficult time working with people. And you don't want things to flip for you to be on the more difficult side of things. You want people to feel like, they work easily around you. And you also want to make sure that you feel like, work comes easy to you. You're not struggling so much just to be able to navigate your work. So build the soft skills that you need and make sure you are well equipped to work in the workplace or to navigate the workplace with ease. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope this got you thinking a little bit. I know it's not so much of like, new information and like tips and, like step by step stuff, but it's just a conversation to get you thinking about what you can be able to do much better to navigate your work much better. So I hope that was as fun for you as it was for me, and I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time.